recording? Yes. Alright, so continuing up, welcome back guys. We're going to be doing some builder haul tax here. So what we're going to do, you see the type of base we have here. I want to go back and do that night witch stuff. Because see how the night witches would work. We're going to bring in cannons for a funnel here. Where should we attack from? We're going to attack up from this side over here, make our way over to this. Battle starts in 18 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and get the night witches spawned up with the battle machine raged. Making sure we're still recording. I'm gonna put these on the sides to get rid of some of the stuff here. Time's your biggest enemy over here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the king, or not kings, but use the master builder's ability once again. Something I wish all heroes had was the recharge ability, but that would be overpowered. Okay, looks like master builder just went down, but it's alright. Let's see what these witches got. They can do it, they're good. I don't know, can they though? I don't think they're gonna get a 1-star guy. Oh no, here comes the mortar. It's gonna be up to the bats. If they get this last percent, it's a 2-star. We got a 50% 1-star. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. We got 3-star fast. Let's throw it into another one. Alright, for this one, I could probably triple this with all night witches. But what I want to do is I want to try and get something started towards the bottom base of the base here. I'm going to go ahead, summon all night witches there. Cannon cart, cannon cart, cannon cart. So whenever the archer tower is focused on the bats and things, cannon carts get in here and get some of their damage done, which is pretty good. Cannon carts I like to use. You just seen the giant bomb go down and take some of my bats with it, but it's not the end of the world here. Multi-mortar's still up there. Looks like the battle machine is trying to get inside. Giant air bomb goes down once again. You see the night witches here are trying to get in and pretty much get their way in with the bats and things. The multi-mortar is going to get one more good shot on them, but that goes down. Giant cannon's focused on the builder, man. That sucks. Half our bats went down right there, but we're in a pretty good position, possibly 3-star. Not sure if it is going to be a 3-star, but if they can take this man down right here, it's 3-star. I feel like it's going to get 3-star if they can get rid of this roaster. I'm going to pop the builder hall guy's ability one more time. It's gone. And now what we got to do is we got to get the bats through here. Even if he dies, we'll have enough bats to 3-star this because the archer tower is weak against these of this mode. I'm going to go ahead and try to charge up his ability once more, and that's the first 3-star of the night. Victory, 100,000 of each. We don't really have anything to use that for. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get straight into another one. This one's sort of the same thing. I feel like we'll easily be able to take this one and beat it. I'm going to go ahead and summon all night witches down towards the bottom of the base here. Get the cannon carts. Start the funnel so all the troops up here, or all the stuff up here gets busy on the builder or battle machine. Battle machine's going to go. No, he's not going down. What we need these night witches to do is get in here and take this guy out. The cannon cart does it. The OP cannon cart. I just want to go ahead and say it. I think that this is going to be over pretty soon. As you see, we have an overwhelming amount of bats. And there is only one more thing left. The master builder is going to go down, but it doesn't even matter at this point. It's tripled. Yeah, it's tripled after that. Well, I'm not sure anymore. Because there is that double cannon up there and that air defense I didn't But we should be able to take it down. We should. No, we aren't. Well, hold up. Wait. Bats tripled it. Let's go. Alright. Bats tripled that. Pretty good 3-star. Let's go and watch the opponent to see how far he is along the base. Looks like he's getting a triple as well. It's going to come down to time here, guys. I got the victory. A minute 32, a minute 42. Finished 10 seconds off. We're going to do 2 more attacks here, guys. Alright. He has the roaster. That's there. Don't see it. There's a giant cannon. That'll be a problem. I'm not sure where to go in on this base at, guys. What I guess I can do is go ahead and drop all night witches up here, activate ability. They can go in and kill off the guard post. Cannon carts on the side to make sure they get in. Guard post down. Can they get that archer tower down with those bats? I don't think it's going to matter because here comes the battle machine in here to get rid of the air bombs. Activate his ability again. Cannon carts over there on the side, probably going to get rid of the roast. Going to take a bunch of the roaster's damage. Should get it taken down with the help of the Night Witch. There we go, we get that down. Activate his ability again, that's upgrading. Only key defense we got to worry about now is the Crusher, Multi-Mortar, Giant Cannon. Air defense wise though, it's only that and the Tesla. We should be able to get this. It's going to be 3 in a row, which is amazing. 2 guys. Will they get it though? That's the question. Yeah, I think we got this. All it is left is a Tesla and a cannon. Come on, bats. I don't know, guys. The Tesla stops it for a 98% 2-star. Will we still get the win? He 3-starred me. Say hi in chat to see how everybody's doing. I will get back to them once I end the video. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and attack again. So for this type of base, pretty good. Because you see the air bombs over on this side. It's not in the middle of the base, which is good. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is drop a bunch of these guys down. Drop the builder machine. Bam, bam. Bop. What they're going to go ahead and do now, hopefully get into place. That cannon card's going to go for the archer tower. Gets it down successfully. He's going to go for that. That's going to be taken out. Bad thing is here, guys, we got a roaster. Don't see any giant cannon anywhere. Don't get the chance to put his ability back up. I want to go ahead and say this attack's over before it started. Yeah, I think we tripled this, guys. I really do. I really want to say we got rid of this. Because as you see, main air defenses and stuff have went down. All it is left is this archer tower. She goes down. Is good. We 3-starred that before a minute was over, guys. They're going to go ahead and finish this up. Bats. Probably get this done pretty soon. 95, 98. 100 again, guys. That's insane. For another victory. Let's see if they actually say hi to YT while we do another one. This one's a joke. I just want to be honest. Gonna go ahead and get a nice area started. Sneaky little bomb over up in the top side. Gonna go ahead, get that stuff started. Maybe the bats will go into the base so that they get done targeting that. Once the bats get rid of this, think it's over before it started now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop his ability again, and then go in. Come on, guys, go inside. We can do this. I don't know. Maybe I underestimated his base. Either way, it should go down for at least a 2-star, possibly 3, depending on this roaster if it goes out. No, it's not going to be a 3-star. No, it's going to be a 62%. There's my good friend Butter saying hi. Alright, we're going to do 2 more. That should sum it up around 10 minutes. What we're going to do for this one now, start it down here where we can get rid of the air stuff. I'm going to go ahead and drop Builder Machine, Bop Bop, Bop up top. I can make it flop. That was sick rhyme, by the way. Maybe cannon carts can pitch in over here. That you do, causing this roaster to go down. Here come the bats. They're going to be swarming up for this crusher. He's going to hit that. If he runs in and gets this out, it's over with. Come on, Builder Man. I feel like it's over with now. I honestly do. Alright, so now, he just got that out. Which is going to get that out. There's no more air targeting besides that archer tower. We should be good to go, though. I know it's dumb, I use the same army strategy, but this is a really good strat between Builder Hall. Well, when does this come out? I don't know when the Knight would just come out for Builder Hall. I just know whenever you do unlock them, max those out, use what I do, and you should do really, really good. There's the last build over there. They're going to go for it, and that's another 3-star, guys. What is up with this? Alright, last attack of the video, guys. Let's see if we can't sum this up for another good 3-star. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here. Base is kind of different. But you know, it's not that bad. I'm going to go ahead and get the bats in here. Builder or battle machine should take out the defending guard post. They're going to swarm in. Night Witches over here, they're going to take out that. Probably won't be a 3-star due to the roaster that's still up. But they can at least get the Builder Hall down, that'd be great. But it looks like they're going to get the plan executed good. I don't know, it could, no. There's no way. Alright, guys. That was a good thing. Let's see how they do before video ends. Looks like, I don't know. They could possibly not do so well. I think I won. Yeah. Did I win? Oh, GG's to you, man. Well, that's everything. Or before I can go, I can upgrade a wall on the main base. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that there is. Just max your builder halls out, upgrade your troops and stuff. That's been Clash of Corrupted Page, and I hope you enjoyed our time here and expect many more videos. Have a good